Now before beginning this step, triggering build of the pipeline, there is one more step which we need to be careful of before actually starting the trigger of the build. So that step is to check if the AWS is installed in our EC2 instance. Otherwise, pulling of the artifact, that line will not happen and our script will fail. So to make sure that, first let's log out. Okay, let's log in again. And let's check if the AWS CLI is installed or not. Simply do this step. For that, AWS -version. If it gives any command not found, and it is also giving option to install. Since AWS CLI is not installed, you can copy this command which it suggested. Simply copy it and paste it here. Now it is giving some more errors. I found that the previous command, which was sudo apt get update, is giving some issues. So I will try to update the existing packages using the sudo apt get update and then try that command again. If it works this time, then we are good to go. Okay, sudo apt get install AWS CLI. Again it is missing, so let's try in another way. So there is another way to do this part successfully. There is a sudo snap command, means this one, sudo snap install AWS CLI classic. This will actually install it using the snap plugin, and this is some classic option which we need to provide to make sure it is installing the classic version or whatever. But I think this will make our AWS CLI available in our EC2. So let's wait for some time for the installation to finish, then we can proceed after this. So as you can see now, the plugin is installed. Let's check if command is working. AWS version. Okay, it is working fine. Let's check the AWS S3 also, because that is what we need to execute in the end. Yes, it is given to a few arguments. That is good. So it will also function. Now let's go to our next step, which is triggering build of the pipeline. So for that, we need to commit the changes. Let's check if any more changes are required. We have to the database, updated to the EC2 host. Any more change? Java will be installed by this. That is fine. S3 will be uploaded using this. And these keys should be present. Yes, these two keys should be present in our Jenkins console. So let's add these two keys. So manage Jenkins, click on that. I think it logged out due to some reason. Alright, so go to credentials and we need to add those two credentials. Click on global, click on add credentials, click on secret text, click on secret ID. Now ID we need to supply exactly like it is present here. Okay, so use this ID. The secret should be your access key ID. In my case, I will be copying it and then I will be coming back. So I have copied the secret, I have pasted it. Let's create it. Now again create another one. This will be a secret text. ID will be exactly same like this one again. AWS secret access key. So let's copy this ID, then paste it here, and then I will be copying that secret. It I have copied and I have pasted it here. Let's create it then. So these two credentials are now saved in the Jenkins console.